Aloha, I'm Karina from the University of Hawaii West Oahu Library, and in this video I will briefly talk about my favorite search tricks. I consider them smart searching techniques because it streamlines the research process and ultimately empowers you as a researcher. First and foremost, you'll want to know what it is you're searching for, so craft a research question. Once you've done that, you'll then want to extract keywords, which you'll use while searching for sources. These keywords are your main concepts. Once you've identified your keywords, you'll then want to think of synonyms or similar words and concepts. People describe things differently, so this will help you to find as many relevant results as possible. My second tip is to use phrase searching. Phrase searching is when you search for a phrase or an exact word order by locking them into place with quotations. This is a tip that even works in Google. In this example, searching for West Oahu without quotations yields over 10 million results. If I did that same search for West Oahu as a phrase, I have a much more manageable 300,000 results to assess. My next tip is all about truncation. Truncation is a search technique that broadens your scope because it enables you to search for variant word endings. You'll want to use an asterisk near the end of the word. The work is then done for you, and you'll see results that include a variety of word endings. Pretty cool, right? Now my last tip is to use Boolean operators to your advantage. There are 3 Boolean operators: and, or, not. And tells the search engine that both terms or concepts must be present. You'll ultimately get fewer results, but they'll be much more relevant. The way that I like to think of it is that you should use and to link your different keywords or concepts together. Let's move on to or. Or tells the search engine that any of the words can be present. This increases the amount of results you'll receive. I use or to link my synonyms. Remember that people describe things differently. Our last Boolean operator is not. Not indicates that you want to exclude a word or words from your search. This narrows your search as you're ignoring concepts that may be closely linked to your keyword. In this example, I don't want to see results about Twitter, but I do want to see results for other types of social media, like Facebook and Instagram. So those are all the tips I have for you. Let's synthesize all that we went over. Going back to our original research question, I'm going to create a search string to help you visualize how a database views your queries. I have my first keyword or concept, impact, and I'm linking it with its synonyms using or. I then connect it to my second keyword, Facebook, using and. I'm using quotations to search for phrases, and asterisks for truncation. By truncating social network, I'll get results for social network, social networks, and social networking. Again, I connect my various keywords together using and, then connect the synonyms for my last concept using or. As you can tell, I like to capitalize my Boolean operators. This is a good rule of thumb because in some databases, they'll only acknowledge them as operators if they're capitalized. So let's translate this to how it should be inputted into one of our databases. Our most popular platform is EBSCO, which hosts a variety of databases. You can choose to search in one database or through multiple databases. If you're unsure what one specializes in, just hover over the yellow bubble to the right of its name. I'm going to use the different search bars for my different keywords or concepts. In this scenario, it's my very first search, so I want to see what information there is about Facebook specifically and one's overall happiness. I can always tweak this after reviewing the results. You'll notice that when you start typing, it starts to think for you and tries to help you find synonyms. When searching, it's always helpful to refine your results. In EBSCO, you can do so on the left side of the results page. Be sure to limit to full text and peer-reviewed to guarantee that you'll be able to immediately view the entire scholarly article. I hope you found this tutorial useful and are ready to start searching with confidence. You got this. If you have any questions though, be sure to ask. There's a variety of ways to reach me and our other librarians, so don't hesitate to reach out. Aloha and happy searching to you.